Thanks for your interest in Rsquare Media. We're an award-winning public relations and reputation management company based in New York City. We're the best place to work, according to Glassdoor.com, where we have a 5-star rating. As you can tell from my background, our number one goal in life is to achieve a stress-free work environment. We feel that is most conducive to creative problem-solving and will help you do your best work with us. This helps you, us, and our clients. It's a win-win. At Rsquare Media, we rely on 2 things that help us maintain and sustain this stress-free environment goal on a daily basis. 1. Fast communication. 2. Honesty and transparency. We want to know ahead of time if you cannot attend meetings or deliver work on time. All you would do is simply send us a text in our WhatsApp group giving us the heads up. Easy peasy. If you cannot fulfill this basic expectation, we cannot work with you and you will be removed from this process immediately. Rsquare Media is most famous for our flexibility. You make your own schedule, you choose the days you want to work and how many hours you work those days. Our minimum expectation for your availability is 3 hours a week. All team members must attend our daily team meetings, which is at 11:30 a.m. New York time. If you can't, no biggie. Just give us the heads up in advance by texting us on WhatsApp in our WhatsApp group. If you are absent without giving us a heads up, you will be removed from the process per our job posting. The internship opportunity moves from unpaid to paid when the candidate meets the standard of producing error-free work unsupervised consistently. How long will that take? This varies from person to person. This could be a couple days, couple weeks, or a couple months. The internship allows us to find team members and talent that is reliable and who we can work with on an ongoing basis. You are paid weekly by maintaining your timesheet and telling us your hours every Friday. Since this is both an internship and a mentorship, the average time is 2 to 3 months. That said, you could extend that. Some candidates work with us 6 to 12 months because they love the vibe and the complimentary career coaching. The coaching is geared towards helping you land your dream job in your dream company fast. We've been doing this for the past 10+ years, so we have a long track record of success, with candidates being placed in companies like Netflix, ABC, Amazon, HBO, Mindshare, Citi, etc. We are a communications company, so we expect our people to have excellent communication skills. Please read the questions we ask you on LinkedIn chat and provide direct and complete answers. Please read and reread the question before answering. Also, always provide answers in bullet points wherever possible. It's what we prefer. If you do reach the stage of interview, make sure you're 5 minutes early and that you have a good internet connection and everything works for your Zoom call.